got number 320 here ready to go. It's a concert scale walnut banjo uke for a customer named Donna. And the walnut on it is from the Carpenter Ant stash in Portland. A little bit of curl in there, a little bit of funny colors. It's nice. The neck's got a little flame on the side, which is nice. And because of the dimensions of these pieces, I actually did walnut, pistachio, pistachio, walnut. So there's a little book matched double strip down the middle, which is kind of cool. I had a good time with the headplate and fretboard. You see how it starts here gold, then goes to black, and then red in the middle, and then goes red, gold, black. So it's kind of fun to lay out. And a little bit of spalting on the heel cap. So, and it's strung low G, which I think sounds lovely. So there we go, number 320, ready to go.